Hi everybody, so for today I've got a following instructions exercise. So you're going to need a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper, and when you're doing your drawing today you're going to need to keep it portrait, so this way. Okay, before I start the following instructions exercise, I just want to run through some shapes. Just some shapes that I know that you know. So I might mention that you need to draw a rectangle. I might mention that you need to draw a square. I might mention that you need to draw a triangle. And I might mention that you need to draw an arc, which is this shape, or it could be this shape. So there are some of the shapes that I might be asking you to draw. Okay, right, so I am going to start the instruction following. Okay, here we go. Okay, on your piece of paper, I would like you to draw a medium-sized circle in the middle of the paper. Okay. Number 2, I would like you to draw a medium-sized square below the circle, but have the top of it touch the bottom of the circle. Okay, number 3, draw a medium-sized heart in the square. Now this is the tricky instruction, and you can pause it if you want to. I want you to draw 2 smaller rectangles, one on each side of the square. They should go the wide way, not the tall way, and they should touch the sides of the square. Also, the top of each rectangle should line up with the top of the square. Number 5. I'd like you to draw a medium-sized triangle above the circle, and the bottom of the triangle should touch the top of the circle. Okay, 6th instruction, here we go. Draw 3 small stars anywhere inside the triangle. Number 7, draw a small triangle in the centre of the medium-sized circle. Number 8, draw an arc which curves up below the small triangle. And number 9, the last instruction, draw 2 small circles above the small triangle, one slightly to the right and one slightly to the left. And that should mean you are done. Now, that was a following instruction exercise. There were 9 instructions and quite a few really big ones. So it might be good to pause the video as you do it. Now, this is what it should look like. So when the instructions are finished, the picture should look like that. Okay? Now, what I wanted to show you was that I did it with my children, this instruction activity. And my daughter is in year 7. And she drew it like this. So that's my daughter's in comparison to that one. So not quite the same. And then my son is in year 10 and drew it like this. So again, you can see it's not quite the same. It's interesting with instructions because how people see things and how they interpret it is different from each other. So it's an interesting exercise, and it's okay to be different. It just means that we just need to pause and listen, and just maybe listen again and make sure we've got it right, or how we think we've got it right. So none of these are actually wrong. They're all a good attempt at following instructions. It's just we all interpret instructions in a different way. So I hope you've had fun doing that. If you have done it, maybe you could send a picture of it to your teacher and maybe get some extra dojo points that way. I hope you've enjoyed following some instructions, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.